Welcome everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something that sounds very small, but has the power to completely change your life. Not in 10 years, not someday in the future, but starting from today. Most people believe that life changes through big moments, a big opportunity, a big decision, a big breakthrough. But the truth is much quieter than that. Life does not change in big moments. Life changes in small hours. Think about this carefully. Every single day, you wake up with 24 hours. Rich people get 24 hours. Successful people get 24 hours. Struggling people get 24 hours. Nobody gets more time than you. The only difference between people is how they use their hours. Most people spend their hours reacting to life. They wake up and immediately check their phone. They scroll through social media. They rush through the morning. They spend the day busy but not growing. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into years. And suddenly they realize something painful. Their life never really moved forward. But there is a simple truth that powerful people understand. You don't need to control your whole day to change your life. You only need to control 1 hour. Just 1 hour that belongs to you. 1 hour where you are not distracted. 1 hour where you are not escaping. 1 hour where you are building the person you want to become. That 1 hour becomes your private workshop for transformation. Inside that hour, you build your mind. You build your discipline. You build your future. And if you repeat this every single day, something incredible begins to happen. Your thinking becomes stronger. Your focus becomes sharper. Your confidence grows. And slowly, quietly, your life begins to move in a completely different direction. People around you may not notice it at first, but 1 year later, they will look at you and ask a question. What changed about you? And the answer will be simple. You started protecting 1 hour a day. In today's video, we are going to talk about how 1 hour a day can change your life. We will explore powerful lessons that can help you take control of that hour and use it to build the life you truly want. And as you listen to this video in clear and simple English, you will also improve your English listening and understanding skills. So listen carefully, because this idea may look simple, but if you truly understand it, it can completely transform the direction of your life. Lesson 1. The power of 1 hour every day. Most people underestimate the power of small daily actions. They believe life only changes when something huge happens. A new job, a new opportunity, a lucky break. But the real engine of transformation is not big events. It is consistent hours. Think about the structure of your day. Your day is not made of years or months. It is made of hours. And inside those hours lies the true power to shape your future. Imagine that starting today, you dedicate just 1 hour every single day to improving yourself. Not 10 hours, not 5 hours, just 1 focused hour. What could happen in that hour? You could learn something new. You could read powerful ideas that change your thinking. You could practice English speaking. You could build a new skill. You could strengthen your body. You could plan your future. You could reflect on your life. 1 hour may look small, but when that hour is focused and intentional, it becomes incredibly powerful. Because growth is not created through occasional effort. Growth is created through daily commitment. 1 hour today, 1 hour tomorrow, 1 hour the next day, day after day after day. At first, the change may feel invisible. The first week may not look dramatic. The first month may not feel extraordinary. But something important is happening beneath the surface. Your brain is learning discipline. Your mind is absorbing knowledge. Your confidence is slowly growing. Your identity is beginning to change. You are no longer someone who is just passing through the day. You are someone who is actively building a better version of yourself. And this is where the real transformation begins. Because when you start using 1 hour every day to improve yourself, you send a powerful message to your own mind. You are telling yourself, my growth matters. My future matters. My life is worth investing in. Over time, that message becomes your identity. You start seeing yourself differently. You become someone who grows, someone who learns, someone who improves. And this is exactly how extraordinary lives are built. Not through sudden miracles, but through quiet daily hours of self-improvement. If you protect and use 1 powerful hour every day, that hour can become the most important investment you ever make in your life. And the beautiful truth is this: you do not need special talent to start. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need a complicated plan. All you need is the decision to say, every day I will give 1 hour to becoming better. And that single decision, repeated every day, can slowly transform your life in ways you cannot even imagine today. Lesson 2. Guard the hour like treasure. If Lesson 1 teaches you that 1 hour can change your life, then Lesson 2 teaches you something even more practical. That hour must be protected. Because the truth is, it is not enough to say, I will give 1 hour to my future. You must also learn how to defend that hour. Why? Because the world will always try to steal it. Your phone will try to steal it. Notifications will try to steal it. Random conversations will try to steal it. Laziness will try to steal it. Your own excuses will try to steal it. And if you are not careful, the hour that could have changed your life will disappear in a few careless moments. This is why I say, guard the hour like treasure. Think about how people treat valuable things. If someone has gold, they protect it. If someone has money, they protect it. If someone has an expensive phone, they protect it. If someone has important documents, they keep them safe. But most people do not protect the most valuable thing they have, their focused time. That is one of the saddest truths of modern life. People protect objects more than they protect their future. They will buy a cover for their phone. They will lock their door. They will hide their money in a safe place. But they let their attention get stolen every day without resistance. They wake up and immediately hand over their mind to the world. A message comes. They check it. A reel appears. They watch it. A notification makes a sound. They follow it. One small distraction becomes another, then another, then another. And the hour is gone. This is how life gets wasted. Not always through dramatic failure, but through small daily theft. A few minutes here, a few minutes there. A little scrolling, a little delay. A little, I'll start later. And slowly, the most important hour of the day becomes weak, broken, and directionless. If you want to change your life, you cannot treat your 1 hour casually. You cannot say, I'll use it if I feel like it. You cannot say, I'll do it after I check a few things. You cannot say, it's only 1 day. Because that is how discipline dies. That is how dreams become slow and weak. That is how people remain stuck for years while telling themselves they are trying. No, your hour must become non-negotiable. It must become something sacred, something serious, something protected, something that does not get touched by useless noise. When your hour begins, the world should not have access to you. That means no unnecessary phone use, no random scrolling, no pointless entertainment, no wandering from one task to another, no sitting down without purpose. This is your hour, your growth hour, your building hour, your healing hour, your learning hour, your becoming hour. And the moment you start treating it with respect, something powerful happens inside you. You stop living like a victim of distraction. You stop behaving like someone who is available for everything except their own future. You begin to say, "My time matters." That sentence may sound simple, but it changes the way a person lives. Because many people secretly behave as if their own growth does not matter. They give time to everyone. They give time to entertainment. They give time to fear. They give time to procrastination. They give time to overthinking. But they do not give protected time to their own improvement. And then they wonder why their life feels stuck. The answer is painful but clear. A life with no protected time for growth becomes a life of reaction. You are always responding, always catching up, always feeling late, always feeling behind, always feeling like you are busy but not really moving. That is why guarding your hour is not a small habit. It is a statement. It is you telling the world and telling yourself, "For this 1 hour, I choose my future." That one decision starts changing your self-respect. Because discipline is not only about action. Discipline is also about what you refuse to allow. You refuse to let noise control your mind. You refuse to let distraction eat your future. You refuse to let low-value habits steal high-value time. And once you begin doing this daily, your mind starts becoming stronger. At first, it may feel uncomfortable. You may feel the urge to check your phone. You may feel restless. You may feel bored. You may feel tempted to delay. That is normal. Because a distracted mind is not used to silence. A weak routine is not used to structure. A person who has spent too much time reacting is not used to taking command. But that discomfort is not a sign to stop. It is a sign that change is happening. Every time you protect your hour, you are teaching your brain an important lesson. I am in charge now. That is powerful, very powerful. Because one of the biggest problems in life is that many people do not feel in control of themselves. They say they want to do something, but they do something else. They say they want to focus, but they get distracted. They say they want change, but they keep serving the same habits. This slowly breaks confidence. Because when your actions do not match your intentions, your mind loses trust in you. But when you guard your hour every day, even when it is difficult, you begin rebuilding that trust. You begin proving to yourself, I can keep a promise to myself. That may be one of the most life-changing feelings in the world. Because once a person learns to trust themselves again, everything begins to shift. Their goals feel more real. Their discipline becomes more stable. Their confidence becomes deeper. Their actions become stronger. And all of it begins with one protected hour. So how do you actually guard the hour like treasure? First, decide in advance when that hour will happen. Do not leave it vague. Do not say, I'll do it sometime. That is too weak. Choose the hour clearly. Maybe it is the first hour of the morning. Maybe it is after work. Maybe it is at night. The exact time matters less than the seriousness of your decision. Second, remove easy distractions before the hour begins. Keep the phone away. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Sit in a place where your mind knows this is work time, growth time, life-building time. Third, enter the hour with intention. Do not enter it casually. Enter it like someone stepping into a room where their future is being built, because that is exactly what it is. And fourth, repeat this every day until it becomes part of your identity. Not just something you do once when motivation is high. Not just something you try for a week, but something you become known for in your own life. A person who protects time. A person who protects focus. A person who protects their future. Please understand this deeply. Your life will not rise above what you repeatedly protect. If you protect comfort more than growth, comfort will shape your future. If you protect entertainment more than discipline, entertainment will shape your future. If you protect your excuses more than your potential, your excuses will shape your future. But if you protect one powerful hour every day, then slowly, beautifully, powerfully, that hour will begin shaping a new life. And one day, when people see your growth, your clarity, your confidence, your discipline, your results, they may think it happened through luck. But you will know the truth. It happened because you stopped treating your time like something cheap. You started guarding it like treasure, and that changed everything. Lesson 3. Direction before action. This lesson can save years of wasted effort, because many people are not lazy. They are simply moving without direction. They are active, but not effective. Busy, but not growing. Exhausted, but not progressing. And this is one of the most frustrating feelings in life. To work hard and still feel lost. To keep doing things and still feel stuck. To spend energy and still not know if you are moving toward something meaningful. That is why this lesson matters so much. Direction must come before action. Before you use your 1 hour, you must know what that hour is serving. What is the purpose of this hour? What is it building? What future is it helping create? What kind of person is it helping you become? Because if you do not answer those questions, your effort becomes scattered. And scattered effort is dangerous. Not because it makes you weak, but because it makes you tired without reward. A person without direction often mistakes movement for progress. They do a little of this, a little of that. They start one thing, then leave it, then chase another thing, then feel inspired by something new, then quit again. Their life becomes a collection of unfinished energy. That is why some people spend years trying but never transforming. They never really chose a direction. And if you do not choose your direction, the world will choose one for you. Your phone will choose. Trends will choose. Other people's opinions will choose. Random emotions will choose. And then your life becomes a reaction to noise instead of a response to purpose. Please think about how many people live like this.